Hello everyone, Kalila Clark here, one of your equine product specialists at Pulse Equine. And in today's episode, we're going to be talking about working horses with bucked shins. Now, bucked shins is a term that we equestrians use to actually describe what is called periostitis, which is a repetitive strain injury that typically occurs in the forelimbs. And it mainly occurs during intense training, putting stress on the cannon bone. And this can lead to lameness, which can also eventually lead to other issues. Now, we're discussing bucked shins because it's actually a very common injury in horses, especially in breeds that do a variety of disciplines, but mainly racing, such as thoroughbreds, quarter horses, and standardbreds. Now, when using PEMF for bucked shins, we do have to keep in mind that we do not cure, treat, or diagnose anything. And bucked shins can range from mild to severe, so it's very important that the horse has been diagnosed by a vet and has been cleared for PEMF therapy. Now, during your PEMF session, you always want to start with a whole body. And then once you get to your focus time, you work both front limbs and the compensating limb. So for example, if the horse has a bucked shin in the front right limb, also work the front left limb as well as the hind left limb. Now, bucked shins can be very sensitive, and if they are severe, there may even be small fractures. So in your first few sessions, you will want to use a low MFS setting and always watch for the comfort of the horse. And then, of course, in the next following weeks, you can gradually increase the MFS, but still staying in the horse's comfort zone. Now, the small loops are the best loops to use for this area. They fit best in the cannon bone area. So you want to place the loops and so that they connect with Velcro in the front of the leg, and make sure there's no direct pressure on the actual injury itself. Now, I do have a smart tip for you guys. If the loops continue to slide down to the fetlock, you can also place a Velcro strap around the Y joint of the loop, but always keep in mind to make sure you're not adding pressure to the injury. So guys, I hope that gives you a glance into how to work bucked shins, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye-bye.